Hello, good morning to everyone. It's an honor to be here and be invited to this web seminar, AI and the Future of Work, Evaluation of the Plant Monitor Control Cycle System in Modern Projects and Reshaping Industry, organized by Azerbaijan State Oil and Industry University. It's my pleasure to be here with you guys. And I want to share some of my research results about future scenarios in 2035, about industry, AI innovation, and reimagining a little bit the future of work. So, this is the first AI mindset. And by 2035, artificial intelligence will not only automation, it will transform how industries operate, how organizations are creating value, and what it means to be human in a hyper-connected digital economy. So, in the next 8 minutes, I want to take you in this future and three possible scenarios that challenge us to rethink how we lead, innovate, and prepare people for what's coming in the future. Um, the first is just let me change this a little bit because I can read. Yeah, perfect. So, four powerful forces are converging and accelerating a transformation. The first one is artificial intelligence everywhere. So, the mindset is changing. Autonomous agents, self-evolving models, digital employees, and artificial intelligence ecosystems. Synthetic innovation. Human creativity now or in the future will be amplified by artificial intelligence, enable rapid prototyping, idea acceleration, and knowledge synthesis. The biodigital industry, more use of wearables, neurofeedback, predictive health, and issues and wearables around health, and biological data integrated into work and productivity systems. And last, and not less important, climate-driven industry shift. Green manufacturing, circular economy, supply chains changing, and a relocation of industries, responding to this sustainability pressure. Uh, in these elements, three scenarios are coming. Okay, the first one is AI integrated economy. The second one, the friction economy, and the third one, the regenerative work and industry. Let's talk about the first scenario. The first one is about how AI becomes deeply embedded into all workflows. Every professional, even engineers, teachers, administrators, doctors, will work with intelligent agents that learn, adapt, and collaborate, not only to ask something to ChatGPT or given some data and information. In the future, AI will acquire more capability to have these digital twins for agents, directives, managers, and companies. So AI copilots will be in every process, and the automation probably would be at 70-80% of the task. Productivity skyrockets, but so do expectation. This is important because productivity will increase and will have at the same time expectations. So this leads us to this question, and this is main important, and is part of our research that I'm conducting with colleagues from USA and other countries. Is how do we train people to work with intelligence, not against it? So we need to redefine what is intelligence right now and talent inside our organizations. For slide 6, this about a scenario number 2, the friction economy. And this is important because not everything is smooth in the second scenario. We are living how regulation falls are reshaping the economy around the world, how inequalities are growing, and how organizations are facing talent turbulence. So we see in this scenario how job displacement is happening and how we need to invest in this process of reskilling of our people, um, building these truth gaps between workers and algorithms, and how we face these fragmented digital ecosystems, and increase, of course, the discussion and debate of these ethical tensions around data and surveillance. So in this scenario, the number two is about regulation, inequality, and talent gaps. But we need to understand that the question is rising, and the question is, how do we protect human dignity in a world ruled by algorithms? We are just giving these ethical decisions or this ethical frame to computers and algorithms, or we need to create a new ethical framework inside organization, inside business, and of course, universities. So in scenario number three, this is my favorite, of course, because it's for me like the balance scenario is how we need to regenerate work and industry. Is the most helpful for us. Here, humanity consciously shift directions. We are in the charge of the wheel of this change. Organization integrate technology with meaning, I mean ethics, well-being, and planetary stewardship. Work is redesigned around autonomy and human flourishing. Innovation becomes green, circular, and inclusive, and AI is deployed for climate resilience and social development. Themes are diverse, multicultural, and purpose driven. And in this scenario, one question is so important, and is how we build industries, how we build this organization that respect human potential and or planetary limits. Is not only to have this model of continued production and having these skills in engineering, in STEAM skills. No, it's now thinking in how we increase these soft skills and put in this scenario to understand ethic, talent, and the planetary limits that we are facing around the world. What are the implications for talent and organizations? Well, no matter which scenario dominates, three capabilities will define the future of work in 2035. I know it's not this is going to happen. It's just my hypothesis for the future. So, three skills: cognitive agility, learning, unlearning, and adapting continuously for students, for professors, for everyone in this economy. Number two, human tech synergy, designing workflows where humans and AI complement each other. I mean, AI is a powerful tool, but at the end they need, and this tool need the human touch. Okay, soft skills, empathy, listen, these human capabilities that we need to redefine and focus more. And number three, regenerative leadership, ethical decision making that supports sustainability and long-term value. Um, the last one is for implication in the future. I will move fast. This means we need to reimagine the curriculum with AI integration, focus more in building multicultural and multi-generational teams, emphasize more in digital citizenship and civic responsibility, and create ecosystem for experimentation, circular innovation, and entrepreneurship. And this is my last slide. Thank you for your attention. And just I want to say that 235 is not the future, it's just a strategic cycle away. The choices that we make today will determine which of these scenarios become reality. And thank you so much for this invitation. Thank you so much for having this contact with Azerbaijan. I hope to see you soon one day, and I hope to enjoy this last month of 2025. See you guys.